All you need to know about agentless versus agent-based asset discovery.
Investments in advanced technology and superior assets are made for a reason, that being, better products and service delivery, all to retain their market position in times of digital transformation. And the first step towards managing your assets is accurate inventory. What is IT asset management? IT asset management, ITAM, involves cataloging, tracking, and maintaining an enterprise's technology assets. Assets in any enterprise can include tangible, physical assets like networks, hardware, and servers, or intangible assets like software applications, licenses, purchase orders, and SLAs. ITAM has a framework to document and manage the life cycle of every IT asset. The traditional approach involved manual filling data in spreadsheets, which was labor-intensive and time-consuming. Thankfully, the old ways have been replaced with ITAM solutions that help align your hardware and software inventory, asset owners and users, and asset location information in a centralized dashboard. Monitoring assets is central to ITAM solutions as they lead to the discovery of all relevant information on your assets. There are two ways IT assets can be monitored: agent-based and agentless. Understanding both methods can help you choose the one best suited for your unique business needs. Agent-based IT asset monitoring requires installing one or more instances of agent software on each target system. Agent involves physically going to the target machine and installing the agent or performing a remote installation through SSH, RPC, SMB, etc. You may also install agents using automated mass deployment technology that will work with a few monitoring solutions. When the agents reside on target systems, they can collect data on service availability, network usage, CPU performance, file systems usage, RAM, and other metrics that offer deep insights for root cause analysis and troubleshooting. What is agentless asset management? In simple terms, an agentless IT monitoring tool doesn't need any agent software to perform monitoring. These monitoring tools collect metrics by either leveraging APIs using management protocols or specifications like the WMI, SNMP, or CIM. Knowing the difference between agent-based and agentless asset monitoring solutions is important. But it is more important to know when to use either in an enterprise. So, when should you use agent-based IT monitoring? Suppose you have poor network quality or availability issues. You would need an agent-based monitoring solution as it is not dependent on your network. You don't even need a network connection. Agent-based solutions are perfect for this scenario to monitor your IT assets in this situation. How about agentless IT monitoring? An agentless monitoring tool is ideal if you cannot install an agent in a target system. Some examples include printers, routers, switches, etc., that do not allow asset monitoring tools. You may also find agentless monitoring tools useful if you don't have enough resources to deploy or manage the solution. To help you decide between agent-based versus agentless discovery methods, we have listed the differences here. Deployment. Agent-based discovery requires installations on a target system. Agentless monitoring tools don't need any installations. Breadth and depth of metrics. Agent-based discovery can cover broader metrics and provide more insights into your IT assets' inventory and performance. Agentless monitoring can only cover a lesser range of metrics, thereby having fewer insights into your IT assets. Resource overheads. Agent-based methods use computing resources on the target system, impacting performance where resources are a limited option and if you have legacy systems. Agentless monitoring requires no target systems, nor does it need additional resources. Network overheads. Agent-based discovery tools use minimal network bandwidth, whereas agentless monitoring uses more bandwidth. Maintenance. Agent-based may need monitoring, occasional patching, and troubleshooting of agents on target systems. But an agentless discovery tool doesn't need any such maintenance. Extendability. The best advantage of an agent-based discovery is that the agents offer customization and extendability, whereas there is no such capability in an agentless discovery. While there are a few differences between agent-based and agentless monitoring, there are other methods to consider, like the active and passive asset discovery methods. The active asset discovery method is standard and uses software covering all devices connected to the network. Unlike an active asset discovery method, the passive asset discovery tool locates all services that run on the network by monitoring the traffic from clients and servers. In conclusion, enterprises rely on their IT assets to manage their operations, and losing track of any asset will likely impact the ROI. Clearly, they need a streamlined and accurate way to monitor and manage their assets to get the most of their inventory.
Choosing an asset-based or agentless monitoring system can significantly protect your assets and ensure that they are used optimally.